Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Happy Crafty Easter video. Today I have a really sweet shadow box for you. This is my Easter puppy shadow box. How adorable is this little design? Look how happy that puppy is. He's just sitting there with his little Easter bunny headband on, the little bow tie. There are eggs all around. It's just such a cute project. I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, your shadow box, foam squares if you want to add some dimension between the layers, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Happy Crafty Easter 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can either purchase the individual cut file for this project in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in all 12 event files, video tutorials, printable worksheets, commercial licensing, and a bonus bundle of 12 more Easter cut files, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass using the link in the video description. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I've sized this design to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using, which is 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If you're going to be using this project on a card or in a different shadow box or for whatever reason and you need to change the size, you can do that here in the sizing window. Just make sure to leave those proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Alright, so I've gotten everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now we do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the pale blue, then the darker pink, darker brown, cream, brown or tan, darker green, light pink, lighter green, blue, and then dark blue. You can add foam squares behind these if you wish. I think that the layers that I would put foam squares behind would probably be the dark pink, the darker green, and then the lighter pink. I'm just going to layer everything inside the shadow box, so I'll go ahead and get that now. I've already added the little pins that come with this shadow box to help push everything forward. And I'm going to go ahead and start to layer up the design. Alright, now I'll close up the shadow box. And there we have our adorable Easter puppy shadow box. I hope that you like it. How adorable is this project? I really hope that you like this one. If you do make it, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Happy Crafty Easter video. Bye-bye.